You are a little troublemaker. Hey guys, Marcy here. I am so happy to be back on YouTube. I know it's been like another 3-month hiatus for me. What else is new? But I have to admit it is a little awkward now that I've been off YouTube for so long to just like be sitting here talking to a camera. So I'm sure this is going to be filled with socially awkward and strange moments such as this one right now. Anyway, we are here today not to talk about me being incredibly awkward. We're here today to talk about some Target beauty. So I got an email probably about a month ago now that the Target Spring Beauty Box is now available to purchase. I've never bought one before, although I've heard a ton of things about them. So I decided to go and splurge. They do it quarterly or like once every 3 months, one for each season. This happens to be the spring one. What I like first off about this box is it's incredibly affordable. I think it was like $7. Anyone can get it. You don't have to be subscribed like an Ipsy or a Sephora Play or anything like that. You can just buy the box. And what makes it even nicer is that Target actually lets you view the items you will be getting before you purchase it. So you kind of have an idea of what it is that they're offering for you to get. So when I took it out of its packaging, when it showed up on its doorstep, this is what I saw. Just a very plain white box, a couple inches thick, with just Target Beauty on it. And when you take the top off, it looks like this. So you do get a pretty little pamphlet that says Hello Spring, talks about, you know, everything that's inside the box. On the back, you do get a list of everything that you get, as well as a coupon. And then everything, I'm assuming, is just inside this box. You do get a pretty yellow wrapping paper. And ta-da! Uh-oh, I'm losing stuff. So there is everything laid out in the boxes. So, and we're just gonna go through it. I haven't really, I'm gonna be completely honest, I have totally opened it and I have tried a couple of the products, but a lot of them I haven't, and I just kind of like let sit and chill in the box for the past couple weeks because I knew I wanted to make this video, so I didn't really want to rip it apart. So the very first thing I'm pulling out, and I have not tried it yet, is this number 7 Early Defense Glow Activating Serum, suitable for sensitive skin. So I'm assuming this is from the Boots brand, which honestly I've never tried any of their products before. I know GM Beauty 89, Jessica Braun, I know she loves a lot of number 7 stuff. I've just never had the opportunity to try it before. So I am excited to give this a shot. And it says that this serum is suitable even for sensitive skin, which obviously is me right now. I have no makeup on. This is just me right now. So we got some sensitivity. You do get 5 milliliters of this, which is a pretty standard size. I would expect to see this in any kind of like Ipsy or Sephora Play box. Next is this body wash from Olay. It says it's the Olay Micro Scrubbing Cleansing Infusion Hydrating Glow Body Wash with crushed ginger. I don't know what's going on with everyone using ginger all of a sudden, but like I've gotten so many things with ginger in it. I guess it's like the new charcoal. This I have not tried. I've never heard of it, although I have used Olay body washes in the past. So I don't know, it's just like a little travel size. I'm excited to give it a go. You can definitely smell the ginger in it a little bit. It smells nice though, like it smells fresh. I actually just got from Influencer, and I am going to be doing an Influencer video again for something that I got shortly after this, but I did recently get an Influencer box that had herbal essences, shampoo, and conditioner with ginger in it, and this smells very much like that. So the third item I have is from St. Ives, and it's the Skin Renewing Collagen and Elastin Body Lotion. So it looks like this. It looks like it's another, not travel size, because it is about as big as my hand. So I guess it's a decent travel size. Let's put it that way. It's 2 ounces. And it says 100% instantly boosts skin's natural radiance. So I have not tried this yet. Revitalize the skin, renewing its natural radiance. And I know now that it's officially spring, everyone's looking for the glow. The glow has made its return for the warmer seasons. So I'm interested to see what this does for my skin. So this next thing is kind of interesting. I've never seen something like this before. It's from Pantene Pro V, and it's their foam conditioner, sheer volume conditioner revitalist, and apparently it's like a little foam thing that you squeeze out in the shower, you put it in your hair, and then wash it out. I've never seen or heard of a foam conditioner before. I'm assuming this is something new. I am excited to try it. I'm really, really tough on conditioner because my hair is so like thick and coarse and wavy and curly and just crazy. I need a lot of conditioner generally to get it to brush out and detangle and look sleeker. So we'll see how that holds up against some of my cult favorite conditioners. Moving right along, I have tried this product, and actually I've used almost all of it at this point, and I absolutely love it. It's from Nexus, and it's their Dry Shampoo Refreshing Mist. It's unscented. Now, if I spray this in my hair, and I did actually just spray it in my hair a little while ago, it could leave a little bit of a cast, as you can see. But if I rub it with my hair, it does typically just go right out. So as you can see, there is no more cast left in my hair. It smells really nice. It seems to really absorb all of the oils in my hair. The biggest problem I have with like dry shampoos is that halfway through the day, my hair will feel really, really dirty again and like gritty and gross, and I don't like it. This seems to not do that. It seems to just make my hair look nice and thick and voluminous and clean, and it doesn't like, I don't know, I've had a lot of problems with dry shampoos. I've never really found one that I truly love. This one I think is pretty close. So I might actually go buy a full size of this like today. So we have two items left. One is a trendy hair item and one is a makeup item. So I'm going to go into the makeup item. I have not touched it, and it is a new little palette from Wet n Wild. So it says that this is their new formula, and it's a palette called Sweet as Candy. So the Sweet as Candy palette gives you 4 colors. Everything's labeled, so it's really easy if you're a beginner and you don't know what you're doing. And it just has your standard like mauve-y, neutral to almost cool toned colors, which is really, really pretty. I think they paired it all really well. I did not open this up yet to swatch it. Let's do that right now. I haven't tried the new Wet n Wild formula yet. I've heard conflicting things about it. Alright, so this is what it looks like open. One thing that you're not maybe seeing that they typically have is the sponge applicator is now missing. This is just black plastic. So there is no sponge applicator. They finally threw it away. And you have your transition shade, your brow bone shade, your crease, and your lid. So let's swatch it and see what it does. So there's all the colors on my fingers. They seem extremely pigmented. Oh yeah. So there they are. Obviously those browns are really, really, really rich. Even that white brow bone shade is good. The pink shade is a little lackluster, but they seem incredibly creamy. I am interested to play with this on my eyes, and if it does work together and works well together, it would be like the perfect thing to just bloop right in the makeup bag on the go for touch-ups or whatever it is you're doing that day. So I am really interested to see how this works. Okay, the last thing in the box, I'm not really sure how I feel about it. It's from Clairol, and it is the Color Crave Hair Makeup in Shimmering Rose Gold. So I'm assuming this is like a temporary highlight or dye for your hair. From what I see, it has this strange applicator, and you kind of just like brush the color into your hair, and it washes out as soon as you shampoo and condition your hair. So it's not meant to stay or anything. It's more for just like day of, fashion statement kind of thing. I have not tried it yet, but this is what it looks like. It is a full size. And here's the applicator. It reminds me a whole lot of, I think it's Maybelline that has like a concealer or something like this. It reminds me a whole lot of that. Okay, so it really is like a shimmery rose gold color. I don't know. Because of my job, I have 2 jobs. One job, I can definitely do like crazy stuff. My coworker has like mermaid green hair. The other job, I have to keep it like a little more pulled back, a little bit more professional. So we'll see. But if it's just really for like one day and then as soon as you wash your hair, it's out. I mean, I can certainly play around with it and let you guys know what I think about it. Will it show up on my dark hair? That's what I'm worried about. We'll just have to see. All in all, that's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 products for $7. It's $1 a product. This is definitely worth more than $1. You know, this I'm sure is probably retailing for like $8 or $10. So all in all, I really think that this Target Spring Beauty Box is well worth it. The products are all like new and fun and innovative and like things that I could actually like really use. So I'm definitely not mad at it. The coupon of course is great. Yeah, I don't know if it's still available. I did get it a couple weeks ago already, unfortunately, but I mean, it's definitely worth going on Target and searching for it and see if you can still get it. I think it came to like $7 and change to have it shipped to me. And I mean, if this kind of stuff is up your alley, I totally think it's worth it. You get a good mixture of makeup, skincare, hair care. I would totally do it again. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I promise I'm going to have more stuff coming up in the very near future, so keep an eye out. As always, if you like me, if you like what I do here on YouTube, like this video, hit that subscribe button, follow me at Marcy_Kayy with 2 Y's across all of my social media, and I'll see you later. Mwah. Bye!